Good afternoon, good
Good
evening to
afternoon, sir.
everybody.
Good evening, sir.
एक मिनट तिवारी के जस्टिस राजीव शर्मा लिखा गया चेक करना
Sets up to share.
We're waiting for Justice Rajiv Sharma, sir. और थोड़े like he's trying to join, probably he's not been able to join.
No problem जी, कोई गल नहीं.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Sir, how was your experience with COVID?
Lovely. So far so good. So far so good.
Actually, you lost weight because of that.
Not really. Every summers you lose a couple of kilograms, in the winters you gain them back, and that's why.
That's bad, sir. Huh?
It is, yeah, something else. It's just the unpredictability of it which is so scary, no?
Yes, yes. Or the media hype is so much, sir, that you get bogged down. Then the social stigma, everything.
Not that. It's apart from all that, it's just the unpredictability of it.
Yes, sir.
You know,
That's
5 people in a family, everyone is exhibiting separate symptoms. You know, it's like that is the danger that we don't know how it will affect me, how it will affect my wife, how it will affect my son, how it will affect my daughter, how it will affect my father, how it will affect my mother.
That's the scary part.
That's the scary part. Now they are saying, today I was told that there is a new mutation in which people who get COVID today just die within 24 hours.
Acha. Sir, Justice Sharma, I think he has joined, so we'll just say.
Well, we can't see him.
Sir, am I visible? Am I visible, sir?
Oh, yes, you are now, brother. You are now.
Yes, sir.
yes. Probably sir has joined through mobile. Yes.
So we can start now that the chief guest is
Yes,
here.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Atul ji, you will have to unmute yourself.
I think now I'm audible.
Yes, you are
You
audible.
are both audible and visible. You were.
So you are just we have just lost you in this screen anyway.
Yes,
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Haji Atul ji, you can start.
Haji sir. Sir, it's a great pleasure to welcome you to this forum, sir. We would have liked to be on honor you with the physical farewell, but then the situation is this: we can't actually hold the physical farewell without endangering you and ourselves. So this is the best forum we have. Sir, I have the privilege to know you since a very long time, probably before you got married.
Yes.
And yes, sir, your pleasing personality at that time and even till today continues to enthrall so many people like us. We'll be missing you. The farewell is always mixed feelings. We always wish well that you have played well. Your innings have been excellent. The day you joined the bar, you actually endeared to all members of the bar. They all just fell in love with you, with the court behavior and your pleasing personality and the manners and the way you treated the members of the bar with love and affection. I think all the bars reciprocated the same. I think you don't need no introduction. We as mediators are actually indebted to you for many things. One of them being to enhance our honorarium or settled fee to such an extent. And that also without any persuasion by us, though our demand was long pending, but it was actually great for the entire committee to have accepted this, and without any much of rather it was very gracious of you to enhance this and this fees. Your sir judgments are path breaking. They'll be remembered for, you'll be remembered for giving legal entity to the rivers, glaciers and forests, and even to Sukhna Lake. Actually, we always felt that how could you reach the entire paper book of 500 pages in 1 hour and then put so pertinent questions to all of us and decide the matter. It was really great appearing before you as a friend, as a judge, as a lawyer. You have acquitted yourself very well, rather with flying colors. And I am proud of my association with you for such a long time. Now I will not take much time because many people are eager to say some words. So I'll just switch over to them. Vikas, please continue with the rest of the people. I think we call Rita Kohli first.
I think once we can start with Ma'am Rita Kohli, and then we'll have the memories of Justice Rajiv Sharma.
Yes.
Because as you rightly said, that what we were always hearing, that he came, he saw, he conquered, and
Yes.
conquered the heart of not only of the lawyers but also of the litigants. The way he decided. Atulji, meanwhile, Justice Sandawali has also joined us. So welcome, sir, on behalf of the mediation family. Atulji, you can also
welcome, sir. Welcome.
We are unmuting Rita Kohli, ma'am.
Thanks very much, sir. In
Rita,
spite
ma'am,
of
you
the
will have to
heavy
unmute
schedule,
yourself.
you're here, sir. Thank you very much. Vikas, let's call upon Rita, and then Justice
Rita, ma'am,
Rajiv Sharma will.
unmute.
Yeah.
I'll mute myself.
A very good evening to Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Sharma, Justice Ajay Tiwari, Justice Sandawalia, Mr. Atul Lakhanpal, Member Mediation and Conciliation Committee, and my co-coordinator, Madam Punita Sethi, and of course, the entire mediation family. Though the farewells and send-offs are not very happy occasions by any means, but today, I must say that because of this, we all are connected after a long time. And even though it's virtual, but it's been long pending, long overdue, and extremely pleasing with, I'm sure each one of us share the same thoughts. Sharing my thoughts, I must admit, but for this COVID, for a highly popular, adorable, friendly, down-to-earth, extreme and sharp-witted judge like Justice Sharma, the big barroom hall would have been too small to accommodate all his fans and well-wishers. So we thank you for having given the pride of place to our, the state attire on the events like Independence Day, Republic Day. Your razor-sharp wit, I must say, sense of humor and intelligence have touched each one of us personally on a different note, I'm sure. More so for the mediation family, as my learned senior colleague has said, without having even asked for, the way you increase the remuneration, it was extremely heartening, because though it was long pending, but with you, the moment you took over as chairperson, we didn't even have to say even once. And you've always been there for each one of us, mediation family member. And I'm sure my friends may not be aware of many of my friends. As a chairperson of Haryana Legal Aid Service Committee at the time of the training of the lawyers from the entire state of Haryana, the way you've been personally engaged in that, be it the lunch times where you personally handed over a plate to each one of the member to ensure that each one is well fed. It touched each one of them on a personal note, I can assure, because each one of them actually spoke to us that we never knew that the High Court judges can be so humble. So it was quite a humbling experience for us, even though for you, it might have been a small gesture, but I'm sure these small gestures go a long way, making a place in the heart and soul of each one of the person you connect with. And at the end, I would only say that may you have the next inning as fruitful, as productive, and as meaningful as you've had as a judge. And may you have the best of health, happiness, peace, and you continue to inspire and motivate each one of us with the same sharp wit, sense of humor, and intelligence. We are extremely honored to be part of this platform in this farewell. Thank you very much, though the feelings are very mixed, as Atul sir said. It's good, it's bad, but we wish the best of you in the times ahead for you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for this.
So we would like that you should share your memories, since we had a little time, though whatever time we spent with you, it was all memories which have been embedded in our mind. But we thought, Atulji said that we should share a platform where you could share your memories down the lane, what all you have as a professional, as a lawyer, as a judge at different places, how it has been, and especially as in a mediation family.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for the nicest words spoken about me. It's not the destination, it's the journey. I traveled from Himachal Pradesh to Uttarakhand, then I came down to Punjab Haryana High Court. I met all of you. I was touched by your warmth, your deep knowledge of law. Whenever I met you, it was a personal note. These are very difficult times, trying times. I pray to the Almighty that you save yourself, your families. The humanity is going through the crisis. It must be the endeavor of all of us to serve the humanity to the best of our ability. I requested Mr. Atul that we should have an interactive session instead of my aggrandizing or saying something about me that won't be proper. Let's have an interactive session. And I never knew, I don't know how much I've changed when Atul met me before the marriage and after the marriage. And fact of the matter is that Chandigarh ka jamai to hoon main, because I'm married in Chandigarh. And Chandigarh मेरे को बहुत प्यारा है. आप लोग चंडीगढ़ इसलिए प्यारा नहीं है कि ये बड़ा प्लान है, क्योंकि इसलिए अच्छा है क्योंकि आप इसमें रहते हैं, बसते हैं, आपका परिवार इसमें है. मुझे भी अपने परिवार का एक हिस्सा मानिए. मैं अतुल को रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि किसी ने अगर पूछना हो मेरे से कुछ, कैसे जर्नी शुरू हुई, कैसे ये खत्म हुई.
Sir, we would like to share this experience with you, sir. That's what we want to know, how you remain so cool and pleasant all the time. There are sometimes very trying times, testing times as a judge, but you always made your cool, and we always felt that we are before a very friendly bench. Never felt that something bad is going to happen, nothing.
There's a sense of justice, fairness, and we always must remember the oath which we take at the time when we are sworn in. To me, the rights of the underprivileged, weaker sections were very close. They don't have the bargaining power vis-a-vis the mighty. It's the duty, responsibility of us to interpret the labor laws which lean in favor of working class. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Sir, I will only say one thing. Pradhanji, if we unmute everyone, then probably there will be some chaos. So I think whosoever wants to share a question, his or her experience, and at the same time wants to ask a question, they can put it on the chat box and we can do that. Otherwise,
yes. That would be better. That would be better.
Hands at least. Huh?
Yeah, anything of that sort. Yes, sir. So for a minute, then we are muting everyone.
We have a lot of time with us. Now, as far as I am concerned, there is no time constraint, sir. I am free. But your time matters.
No, sir, it's always present. Please continue, sir.
Mr. Atul, you do a divisive method so that my family can put a question to me. We
Yes,
can have an interactive session. You choose few of you who would like to interact with me.
Yes, sir. There are many people waiting. We will ask everybody to say something.
So then,
Go
then what we will do is we have allowed everyone to unmute him or herself, and one at a time they can put the question. But rest will keep him or herself to be muted. That will make
Before starting the questions, can I put across one quote which is apt for Justice Rajiv Sharma? When I met him for the first time, the quote which clicked was, "Humor is the affectionate communication of the insight, Your Lordship." This was the quote which we got it from you, and thereafter we implemented it in our mediation processes throughout, Your Lordship, where in the difficult situations where the people were in a serious situation, we know how to win their hearts by being not serious and make them very comfortable. Your Lordship, because of your guidance, I took that approach in my mediation, Your Lordship. And I would like, Your Lordship, that you keep on guiding us even in future also, so that we can learn more and more.
Still smiling is very infectious. Keep on smiling. And your motto of your life should be yes for everything. Thank you. Take care.
I want to share an experience which I had in the court of Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Sharma. One day, I was just sitting waiting for my turn, and it was an urgent motion hearing going on. Our ex-secretary of the bar, Mr. Baltej Singh Sidhu, was arguing on a matter. He was arguing an LPA on a service matter. He was trying his hard to pursue my lords to grant him a notice, but my lords were not getting convinced, and my lords asked him to question documents. Then the London Council said, "My lords, those documents are not there appended with my paper book. I need some time to have those documents." But what it could be transpired from the conversation, that the counsel, Mr. Sidhu, was very honestly responding to my lord's queries. The matter was adjourned. Mr. Sidhu has almost reached the door of the court, and then my lord called him up and said, "Mr. Sidhu, come here." He said, "What? Yes, my lord. For your honesty, I will grant you notice of motion." And that day he was granted a notice of motion. And the second matter was an experience which I had, that we as a young lawyer should not keep on seeking for adjournments. We should try to seek a disposal of the matters. In one of the murder appeals, I was appearing for the complainant before my lords, and the senior advocate was appearing for the side of the accused, and the case was listed for final arguments. In the evening itself, I got to know that the case is listed for final arguments tomorrow. So मेरे तो हाथ पैर फूल गए, अभी तो पढ़ा ही नहीं है केस, कुछ भी नहीं है, इतनी मोटी फाइल है, कौन पढ़ेगा, कैसे पढ़ेगा. सोचा चलो we will make a request to the honorable court कि let it be adjourned since it came in the list yesterday only and it's a regular matter. So as my lords are very eager to and love to decide criminal appeals, so it came up very early, around 10:30 or 10:45 it came up for hearing, and I made a request. Then जज साहब ने कहा कि कोई बात नहीं, तुम भी पढ़ो, मैं भी पढ़ो, इकट्ठे पढ़ते हैं, and we will dispose it off. For half an hour, there was a pin drop silence in the court, and as everyone knows, my lords are in the habit of making notes of the cases within half an hour, whether it is on a 500-page file or it is on a 1,000-page file. And it was almost 20 to 25 minutes, and the matter was heard and it was disposed of. So the carry home message or take away message from the court on two occasions was: first, the counsel should be very honest to the bench at times, and at most of the time, honesty pays. And second, we should try to be honest to ourselves and to the profession while not seeking an adjournment, try to dispose of the matters. So these are the two things which I really try to adopt in my life. And for this is something I think it's a learning message for we the young lawyers.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. As far as Sidhu's episode is concerned, honesty is the best policy.
Yes, Malos, that was that day you said this thing.
You have not told me about what happened to your appeal ultimately.
Please, Your Lordship.
What happened to your appeal ultimately?
Manoj, my appeal was that appeal was dismissed. I was not the complainant.
But you have put your best foot forward. Never take a chance.
Yes.
Prepare the brief. You must master the facts. Law will take its own course.
That's right. That's right. That brought on a message that I learned.
You are such an excellent criminal lawyer. Start with the FIR and read each and every word of the FIR or so-called buka, every statement, every Caesar memo.
Please, Your Lordship. Please, Your Lordship. And I would just say one thing, as Honorable Mr. Justice R.K. Jain in his farewell speech said, that in our family, we don't say goodbye, we say we will meet you again. So, sir, we would always say that we will meet you again.
Yes, sir. We'll keep on seeing each other. I've just come from Shimla. You're most welcome to Shimla.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. We wish you all the best.
Pay my regards to ma'am.
Please, sir. Thank you. Our regards to the family as well, Your Lordship.
Punita ma'am.
Sir. So all I would add is my learned senior colleagues, just Mr. Lakhanpal, Rita ma'am, they've already said a lot. But as much we say, it's just a molecule, Your Lordship. The praises and the experiences we've had in Your Lordship's court. I would share a personal experience to that effect. I was representing the government in one of the cases. So I was persistently, of course, arguing and putting across. So Honorable our Chief Justice, in a very subtle manner, reminded me to be more human than to be an arguing counsel first. My arguments were heard, but then very subtly reminded of the human approach. And of course, the other side had to have the way. Because the way I would say the judgments of Your Lordships, they reflect intellect, of course. It has to, with a lot of compassion, equity, sensibility, all fairness, and especially the soft corner Your Lordship has for the lesser privilege that reflects in the judgments rather, I would say. And rather, the Chandigarhites are so thankful to Your Lordship, especially for that street vendor judgment, Your Lordship, which was a perpetual, I would say, though they have their own set of difficulties, but the difficulties on the facet of the city which was being changed, Your Lordship put that at rest in a wonderful manner. So we all, the city residents, owe a lot to your.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for nicest words spoken by you about me. Now, as far as the compassion is concerned, there's a Latin term called catharsis.
Sir.
It says when something is happening on the stage,
Sir.
It may happen to you.
Sir.
It arouses your pity and fear.
Sir.
You have to realize the difficulties faced by the poorest of poor.
Absolutely.
You must concentrate and see whether the earth is burning or not, whether the children are fed before they go up to sleep or not. Forget about the milk.
Sir.
Now our system has generated enough resources to feed the masses, but we have to take care of.
I still remember your words once you asked me,
that all the children get milk before they go off to sleep. And no children in this world go off to bed without being fed. That's the most tragic moment for the family, when the child is not fed and he has to go off to sleep without being fed. It must be very, very tragic and very, very sad for the family. How to persuade, how to convince a child that we could not feed him or her. Thank you. Take care.
Sir.
Sapandhir wants to share his feelings. The interesting facet is that everyone has appeared as a mediator, coupled with the fact that everybody had an opportunity to appear before you in a division bench, and it was always a pleasure. So everyone is asking for a minute everybody knows the time constraint, but be that as it may, everybody wants to share his thought. Sapan.
तो iPad लेना, बैटरी जाने वाली है इसकी.
Sapan दी.
You can ask the other one if Sapan is not there.
Yes, Kapil Kakkad. Kapil Kakkad ji. Kapil Kakkad.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir, and namaskar to both of you.
नमस्कार नमस्कार.
नमस्कार सर. मैं हाथ जोड़ के नमस्कार किया तो फोन गिर जाएगा.
नहीं फोन पर हम है ही नहीं है.
नहीं मेरा गिर जाएगा फोन. आपका
नहीं गिरता. आपका मनोबल इतना ऊंचा है कि आप किसी भी चीज को गिराने की क्षमता ही नहीं है उसमें. आप इतने महान हैं.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
ये आपने प्रमाणित कर दिया.
मेरे लिए आपने बहुत. You are very kind to me, sir. You are more than kind to me, sir. Very, very kind to me, sir.
ये हम काइंड नहीं है, ये आप अपनी इच्छा शक्ति से और अपने स्वभाव से आपने ये अर्जित किया है. ये शब्द, ये जो वेबिनार आज आयोजित किया गया है, ये आपके लिए किया गया. इसलिए किया गया कि आपने ये आकर प्रूव कर दिया कि हिमाचल वाले जो लोग होते हैं ना, वो दिल के भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. जो मैं अपने व्यक्ति
और मुझे बातों में ऐसा लगा कि आपका हिमाचल से कोई ना कोई लिंक है.
मेरा लिंक सर आपकी कसुम्पटी से भी है. ये जो अर्धांगिनी मेरी बैठी है,
ये कसुम्पटी मेरा बर्थ प्लेस है सर. जिस कसुम्पटी की आप बात कर रहे हैं मेरा बर्थ प्लेस है सर.
तभी कह रहे हैं
हम वतन है सर, आप और हम
दोनों. यस यू आर राइट.
तो जस्टिस शर्मा जी ने जो आकर यहाँ पर हिमाचल से चंडीगढ़ वासियों के लिए और हमारे मित्र भाइयों और बहनों के लिए और हमारी मीडिएशन फैमिली के लिए जो कुछ किया है, उसके लिए शब्द पर्याप्त नहीं है. ये कोई अतिशयोक्ति नहीं है कि वो वास्तव में एक दरिया दिल इंसान, एक नेक इंसान और एक अच्छे न्यायाधीश के रूप में उन्होंने अपनी पहचान दी है, जो कि हमेशा हमेशा याद रखी जाएगी. हम इनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करते हैं. हम यही कामना करेंगे कि पहली बात तो आकर स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, प्रसन्नचित रहें. यही हमारी दुआ है सर.
मैं आपका धन्यवाद करता हूँ.
थैंक यू सर.
यस मैम.
थैंक यू सर. अच्छा लगेगा.
थैंक यू सो मच. नमस्कार टू बोथ ऑफ यू.
या शिमला में कभी मिलेंगे, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा सर.
मैं अभी शिमला से आया हूँ आधा घंटा पहले.
हमने भी सोचा है जाने का.
तो विक्रांत शर्मा जी भी अपने व्यूज एक्सप्रेस करना चाह रहे थे.
जी व्हाई नॉट सर.
Sir, thank you so much for everything, sir. I can only say all the best for your future. Your sir smiling face and your lively nature will always be cherished by me and our mediation family, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Pay my regards to ma'am and love to kids, sir. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm grateful.
Promila,
thank you so much, sir.
Lordships, all have said so much. My lords, all have said so much that now I'm left with no words. The only thing is, I can salute you as a great judge.
आप ये presume करो कि मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना. जो बोलना बोल दो.
सर, आपकी तारीफ इतनी है कि क्या बोला जाए. सब कुछ बोला गया है, बहुत अच्छे से बोला गया है. और as a judge, you dealt as a youngsters, especially in your court. That cannot be explained. You have encouraged the juniors so much that they prepare their case that yes, we are going to this court, and they express themselves that yes, we are very secure and safe.
Ma'am, it's very simple mathematics. I encourage the juniors because I was also encouraged.
That's a wonderful experience, your lordships. That I have personally.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir, Sir, good evening, Justice Sharma. Good evening to Justice Tawadi.
Good evening, Tapan. बीच में कहाँ चले गए थे आप?
Sir, I was muted. Actually, I was not allowed to be unmuted myself. This is the problem. I was there.
Nobody could dare it. Nobody could
Sir,
dare
nobody
it.
could dare it. It was only his sapna.
Yes, Tapan.
Thank you, sir. It's your blessings. We had a lot blessings during court also, and apart from in the mediation center as well. We have learned a lot from you, sir. You are known. I have nothing much to say that you are yourself known for expeditious disposals, doing several matters, granting living entities to our rivers and animal kingdom, etc. Lord, you are very humble. First, foremost thing is you are very down to earth. I must quote one quote for you, sir, which I have heard from you only, which say that a tree that wants to touch the sky must extend its roots into the earth. The more it wants to rise upwards, the more it has to grow downwards. So to rise in life, we must be down to earth, humble and grateful. This I have learned from you, sir. In fact, you are very humble, very friendly, very genuine, very grateful and down to earth to everybody, not only to us, to every human being. That's wonderful part on your part, sir. And I must thank to you that you have joined here after spending wonderful time with us, Lord. We have had with you now. I am very thankful for that, and I have nothing much to say about that, Lord. More than this, I wish every success for my Lord's future inning coming here, Lord. And I must also say, and I have been, Lord, my Lord's तंग कर रहा था आपको सर, मैं अखबार भेज के रोज, तो वो मैं कंटिन्यू करता रहूंगा.
Thank you so much, Tapan.
I hope you will not be disturbed with my paper.
जो मेरे बारे सोचा और मेरे बारे बोला आपने, मैं उसका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं. और मेरा ऐसा सोचना है कि जो भी मैं छोटी मोटी क्वालिटीज जो मैंने कोशिश की आप में कि आप उसको लर्न करें, आप उसको फॉलो करते रहेंगे ताकि मानवता का भला हो.
Definitely.
हम तभी खुश हो सकते हैं अगर हमारी सराउंडिंग्स आर हैप्पी, and you must inculcate all of us lot of compassion, and thereafter we must follow the middle path. Thank you so much, Mr. Taman. I'm touched by whatever you have spoken about me, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Sachin Jain. Sachin Jain. Sachin, unmute yourself.
Yeah. So very good evening.
Sachin, good evening. एक बात का ख्याल रखना, लूज बॉल कोई नहीं मिलेगी सचिन से. सब
right, sir. So very good evening to all. Today we have gathered here virtually to you for your future innings, sir. And as I know you,
सचिन जब आप आए मैंने अपनी स्पेक्स उतार दी ताकि मैं यंग दिखूं.
Thank you, sir. So that was the first time when I met you, and I can say that you have a very sharp memory, because when you joined here in Chandigarh and you came to the bar, you called me, Jan, how are you? So I was shocked that you remember me after that, after 5-6 years, when we met in 2018, when you joined in Punjab and Haryana High Court. That was one thing, sir. I have
Mr. Jan, Mr. Jan, Sachin, on the personal note.
Yes, sir.
मैं जो जैन धर्म में कहा गया उस सबको फॉलो करता हूँ.
Right, sir. Sir, you have a wonderful 13 years of career as a judicial judge, and you have given landmark judgments in Punjab and Haryana High Court also, sir, in Himachal Pradesh, as well as in Uttarakhand. Sir, I have 3 experiences which have impacted me, which I'll share here only. Rita Kohli have said about that also, because it was last year in July when we had a 40 years training program. And it was there when I congratulate you. I was there, though I was not a part of that training program, but I was there to learn more. So when we get down after you motivated those mediators to do well for the society, you came down and we had what I congratulate you to become the chairman of this mediation committee. So you asked me, I'll say all those words in Hindi. Sachin bhai, tum कैसे चलता है, कितने पैसे मिलते हैं? तो मैंने आपको कहा कि सर हमें मिल रहा है 10,000 रुपया मिल रहा है फॉर अ सेटल्ड केस एंड 3,000 फॉर अनसेटल्ड केस. तो आपने पूछा था कि ये 3,000 अनसेटल्ड के क्यों, उसमें टाइम नहीं लगता? तो मैंने कहा सर टाइम तो उसमें भी पूरा उतना ही लगता है. तो 7,000 था. तो आपने कहा यार ये तो जाती है आप लोगों के साथ, आप लोगों को तो पैसे ज्यादा मिलने चाहिए. तो आपने कहा कि सचिन सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? मैं जी दिल्ली मिलते हैं, दिल्ली 20,000 मिलते हैं और 10,000 अनसेटल्ड का मिलता है. तो आपने मुझे कहा कि सचिन कम टू मी ऑन मंडे, और वो जो उनके रूल्स हैं वो लेके आना मेरे पास. And I visited you in the chambers after the court was over. I handed over to the...
Am I audible?
Yes sir, sir audible sir.
मैंने अब स्पेक्स लगा लिए, सीरियस हो गया.
हाँ जी सर बिल्कुल.
Yes.
तो आपने कहा कि और क्या क्या चीजें हैं, तो I told you कि सर these are the things. तो आपने कहा कि don't worry, it will be taken care of. And I still remember after 7-8 days when the committee has increased the honorarium to 15,000 and 7,000, you send a message to me, Sachin, families and the lawyers, mediators work has been done. So that is one thing which I really, sir, admire, कि आपने हमारे लिए कुछ किया. In fact, you have acknowledged our work for the society. You have acknowledged our hard work, that what we do is out of sheer, कि हमें किसी के लिए भी कुछ नहीं चाहिए. We are doing it for the people. Sir, आपका specific concern जो अभी चाहे seen आपका girl child के लिए, उसकी education के लिए, उनकी protection, उनकी dignity की protection के लिए, you have a very soft corner. You have been staying throughout. मैंने आपको बहुत बार सुना है sir. I have heard you number of times at various. आपने की helping nature sir. I remember आप जयपुर में एक टूर्नामेंट के लिए गए हुए थे, तो वहाँ पे one of our learned colleagues विनीत सोनी की मदर सीरियस थी. तो आपने खुद बाहर जाके उससे पूछा था कि विनीत आपको पीजीआई में कैसे करना है. तो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आपने डॉक्टर जगत राम को फोन किया था, डायरेक्टर को, कि ये बच्चा मेरा है, इसकी मदर आ रही हैं, आपने इसको एडमिट करना, मुझे नहीं पता आपने कैसे करना. एंड यू इंक्वायर्ड अबाउट हर हेल्थ फॉर एटलीस्ट नेक्स्ट 2 days. Eventually she Vineet lost her mother, but you were very much there with him with all your support. सर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारा कुछ कह दिया लोगों ने, मेरे पास वर्ड्स कम है सर, but we as a mediation family will certainly keep on remembering you. We'll keep wishing that you keep helping us, guide us, and take us to a next level in mediation.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll keep on guiding you.
Sir, the pleasure is that we have amongst us Ma'am Uma, straight from South, Uma Ramanathan. She also wants to share the views, and she says that she's touched the way people are speaking so well about you. Ma'am Uma Ramanathan, kindly unmute yourself.
Actually, I have a 5 o'clock meeting, so I'll menu bulan chado, Chalanjo, I might have to exit. It's all right. You guys are having a wonderful.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. It's been my pleasure really to be part of this. That's why I couldn't help it.
My pranam to you.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Thank you for allowing me to be part of this journey, because I mean, I have just come there for the mediation trainings and nothing more. But I have enjoyed the kind of warmth there, but looking at, a farewell where so many people speak so many good things, It's really heartwarming, and I just couldn't help myself. I sent the message. Sir, as a judge, I know how difficult it is for you to balance everything. And from what everyone has been saying, the kind of judgments and the kind of attitude that you've had, really, hats off to you, sir. Thank you for allowing me to be part of this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
We have very fond memories of you.
Thank you. I know that.
Yes,
thank you.
Next.
Sir, now I'll request Justice Tiwari to say a few words, sir. Sahab, please.
Well, what can I say about my elder brother? What has not been said before. Yayavar hai. He's a traveler by nature, and God also made him travel. He contributed to so many places. People, I don't know where people like him more, whether they like him more in Himachal, whether they like him more in Uttarakhand, whether they like him more in Punjab or Haryana or Chandigarh. But it's a tough call, let me tell you that. It will be a very tough call for anybody to decide where people like him more, whether advocates, whether litigants, whether staff members. You cannot imagine. Well, you all have your memories about how he has treated mediators and everybody. You do not know how he treats the staff. People, I have some personal knowledge of that, the humanism with which he treats with his staff members. In fact, once I was in Simla and he called me home for tea. And when I went, there was a birthday party going on over there. So I felt a little out of place. I said, brother, aapne hum yahan birthday party. He says, no. If any birthday of any child of any staff member takes place, it is celebrated in my house. I felt so humbled. I really, I will never forget it. This is my personal interaction with him. As far as professional and other aspects, you people have spoken so glowingly of him. But let me tell you, on a personal level, he is the most affectionate, the most considerate person you can ever meet. I, my lord, I have another meeting at 5 o'clock. So I will take your permission to exit from this meeting.
Thank you, Brother Tiwari. Thank you so much, sir.
I wish I could
You were
hear
very kind to
everything.
me, sir.
I wish I could be here for longer and hear everything.
You were very kind to me.
No, Badaveer.
You were
Chagaji,
very
all the
kind
best.
to me, sir.
Sir,
Not at all.
Thank you so much, sir. Take care.
Okay.
Sir, congratulations for being a chairman of our committee, sir. You are the new chairman, and our heartiest congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much.
We have Arun Bakshi amongst us. Arun, kindly unmute yourself.
Good evening to everyone. My lord, I was the first person to be judged by you in this honorable court. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah. Please continue.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Bakshi.
My lord, I was the first person to be
Now
judged
you're
by
audible, but you're not visible. Now you're visible too.
Okay, my lord. I was the first person to be judged by you in this honorable court, my lord. The first judgment you wrote, it was 5 cases, my lord. And you acquitted 2 persons from 302 IPC. It was your first day and I was to prepare for SOS application. But the appeal was argued and your lordship was pleased to acquit both the appellants. The next day judgment came and it was the first judgment.
That part I never knew. Thank you so much for reminding it.
Sir, Bakshi used to always say that Aghaaz acha hai to Anjam to acha hai hoga hi. Meanwhile,
yes.
we have Alka Chatrat. She also wants to share some memories.
Please, my lord, congratulations.
Yes, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. It's always a pleasant to hear my lords, and it's my lords' judgments are. Everybody has spoken so much, and my lords were saying that we can repeat the same. But I'm endorsing all the words what Justice Tiwari had said about you. Just Rita ma'am has said everything. Everyone has given so much given, spoken so good about you. So whoever even don't know you, after hearing all these words, can imagine that how good you are. It's a very good, pleasant meeting you all, and we will be missing. But as my lords have said that we are welcomed at Shimla, so we will keep meeting, and it will be always a pleasant meeting with you, my lords. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you all. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
So meanwhile, Paul S. Seni is being pitched in because he says that when there is flurry of praises, I shouldn't be left behind because whatever I have been expressing outside the virtual platform should also come on the virtual platform also. Mr.
Yes.
Paul Seni. Paul bhai. So meanwhile, yeah.
Yes. Good
Sir,
evening,
meanwhile, you also share something, please.
Yes, yes. So,
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes, yes. I met you for the first time at Shimla. I had one matter for your lordship at Shimla.
Kya was ka fate?
It was long back, probably 96, 97.
Oh, 26 years back.
Yes. So we were just celebrated a few months back prior to that date of airing. And my matter was going on for a long time. There were 5, 6 years and I couldn't get anything. And the day you said, on the first date, I got notice of what you had said.
Okay.
So I remember you from that time. And here, everybody has said so much about you. It is really wonderful. We will cherish our togetherness with you. We will cherish those moments with you. You have done so much for the lawyers, for the community, for the city, for the litigants, for everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. जब मैं स्क्रीन पे नहीं आया सबको आप बोल रहे थे शांत हो जा
So we have amongst us Gaurav Pathak. He says he has so much Gaurav that it was always a pleasure appearing before you, and said he never realized that the Gaurav could be actually symbolized when he used to appear before your court, and it was always a pleasure appearing before you. Gaurav Pathak.
Good evening, Manoj.
Gaurav, where are you?
Manoj, I'm visible to myself.
Yes. Now you're audible and visible both.
Oh, great, Manoj. Manoj, सबने बहुत कुछ already कह दिया है, तो मैं सिर्फ अपना एक experience share करूँगा आपके कोर्ट का. Usually environmental matters में एक चीज देखी मैंने कि जो भी matter में question होता था, आप उससे out of box thinking लाके उससे 2 steps ahead ही सोचते थे. And actually you would make the department in a fix कि तुमने तो ये सोचा नहीं, मैं तो इस लेवल पे ऑलरेडी ये वाला सोच के बैठा हूँ. एंड आई ऑब्जर्व आपके सामने आके कितने डिपार्टमेंट वाले थर तक पैसे कांपते थे कि पता नहीं क्या पूछ लेंगे. एंड सडनली यू वुड जस्ट ब्रेक द आइस उनसे पूछ के कि तुम कहाँ से हो, और वो चाहे साउथ इंडिया से हो, चाहे ईस्ट से हो, वेस्ट से हो, एंड यू वुड नो समथिंग अबाउट दैट प्लेस, एंड सडनली आपको इतना काम करके एंड द मैटर वुड गो वेरी स्मूथली. तो आपने आई रिमेम्बर यू सेड वन अ लॉयर शुड बी वेरी प्रिपेयर्ड इन एडवांस. योर horizon, mental horizon should be very vast, and you should know something about everything.
Yes, jack of all trades.
So we have.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
We have Sonia Sharma. I never knew Gaurav used to always say in Sir's court, it is always calm se calm or raho calm and calm.
Yes.
Sonia ma'am.
Good evening, sir, and good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir, and welcome, sir. And sir,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Please, my lord. Congratulations, sir, and thanks a lot for the great efforts my lord has done for the mediation family. And we really admire your lovely nature and a unique way of handling all the cases. As I've heard, I've never appeared before you, but I have heard lot of praise about you, and lot of the unique way you handle cases, and my brothers and sisters, my lords. So thanks for showering your words of blessings, my lords, for the mediation family, and all the best to you and wish you a blissful life, my lords, and a long life, my lords.
It was always my extended family, ma'am.
Please. Thanks a lot, sir, for the great contribution you have done for us, my lords.
So the memories you have created will always be Amar, and therefore we thought we should always we should connect with Amarjit Khurana right now.
Grateful, my lords.
Thank you, ma'am. Namaskar.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Good, sir. Good. Nice to see you, sir. After a long time.
I'm very, very impressed with the green background.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So, sir, we will remember you till we are alive. You have contributed a lot for the mediation family.
Same here, ma'am. I miss you all.
This is what I'm saying from the core of my heart, sir. You have done a lot for everyone. You have done a lot for human being, as well as you have done for the birds, for the lake, for the animals, that those who can't speak, sir. That's the main thing you have done, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for inspiring.
One more thing I'll say, sir, if you understand Punjabi, I'll say 2 lines. Dr. Diwan Singh Kalepani hai, sir, poet ne Punjabi de. Dr. Diwan Singh Kalepani. That's great, sir. आवाज का कटिंग देखते हैं, चेक कर दे। सर क्या है कि पानी Am I audible?
Yes.
पानी वगदे रहन के वगदे ही सोंदे ने, पानी वगदे ही रहन के वगदे ही सोंदे ने, खलोतियां बुसदे ने के खलोतियां बुसदे ने. So I wish you a wonderful life ahead, long life, healthy life.
जेडी में गंगारी जजमेंट देती है उसमें यही लिखे है.
Oh, that's nice.
Right to flow.
Please. पानी वगदे ही रहन.
Thank you. So we have Maniram Verma, who says that money is also important in life, and at the same time we also remember the God that gives the growth of life.
Also very important.
Yes, Maniram
Verma ji.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, Mani. How are you? Fine, sir. I remember you when we met at the dinner. He hosted for you, and I came to know that you did your law graduation from Kurukshetra University. And I thought you are a very great man, done Kurukshetra University law and became the High Court judge. I'm very glad to see you here, and I'm very glad to see you here. You're pleasant. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. And we have Ma'am Sushma Singh. Sushma ma'am. Divya Gudara. Ma'am Divya Gudara. Ma'am Vibha Dhiman. Ma'am Vibha Dhiman, unmute yourself.
नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार. जब मैं स्क्रीन पे नहीं था तब मैंने आपकी बहुत बातें सुनी और सारी सुनी.
Sir, it is said that am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, audible but not visible. Yes.
So it is said that fairness is the perfume of noble deeds, and my lords possess it. I had a memorable opportunity to appear before my lords, and I got an excellent order. And subsequently, I came to know that, from my lawyer circle that all my friends had got very, very good and favorable orders from you, from your court. And sir, I've heard, so many people spoke about you. You've really left very, very sweet memories during your tenure with the Punjab and Haryana High Court. And the judgments which were delivered by my lords speak high of his insaf. So in the end, on behalf of my entire mediation family, I wish you a healthy and a happy life. Thank you, sir.
Be my regards to sir and love to kids. Thank you.
So we have Divya Gudara joining.
Good evening.
You are audible but not visible.
I am driving, sir. If 5 minutes I can be given, I'll be at home within 5 minutes, sir.
Amar Vivek.
If anybody, please, if anybody else is there.
Okay, thank you. We will do. So we can ask Amar Vivek.
Yes, sir. Amar Vivek ji. Amar Vivek. Amar ji, you will have to unmute yourself.
Hi, sir. Thank you. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar, sir. How are you?
Very fine, sir. बहुत बढ़िया, sir. Sir, शब्द कभी हमें फेल नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि जैसा कि बोला गया है कि सब धरती कागज करूं लेखनी सब बन राय, सात समुद्र की मसी करूं गुरु गुण लिखा ना जाए। तो हम आपका गुण कभी लिख नहीं पाएंगे, लेकिन एक बात का आश्वासन है सर कि जो पाठ हमने सीखा है, जो आपसे हमने सीखा है, हम उसे कभी भुला नहीं पाएंगे। जो आपकी सॉलिटरी कन्फाइनमेंट की जजमेंट है, मैं उसको बार बार पढ़ता हूं सर। उसके अंदर जो ह्यूमन एंगल है, उसके अंदर जो आपने साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट दिया है, तो वाकई ही ये हमारे लिए एक पाथ ब्रेकिंग है और हम उसी तरह से मिट्टी से जुड़े रहेंगे, कॉमन मैन से जुड़े रहेंगे। जो आपने हमें सिखाया हम कभी भुला नहीं पाएंगे और सदैव आपके वर्ड्स हम याद रखेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, वी आर ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू।
आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं आपसे ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि जितनी जजमेंट्स मैंने इन इश्यूज पे उत्तराखंड में दी हैं, हिमाचल में दी हैं, आप उनको भी पढ़िएगा। अगर आपको टाइम लगेगा जरूर पढ़िएगा।
हम प्रयत्न करते रहते हैं सर, कुछ डेली थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ें ताकि हमारे सिस्टम के अंदर वो सीख हो सके। इट्स रियली
एक वो एनिमल सैक्रिफाइस बैन की थी, वो जरूर पढ़ना आपने।
श्योर सर, आई विल टेक दैट।
और हिमाचल में जो ट्राइबल गर्ल्स हैं उनको राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी दिया था सक्सेशन में, वो भी जरूर पढ़िएगा।
Sure, sir. I will definitely read those judgments and I will interact with you more, sir. So nice of you.
फिर मिलेंगे। Thank you.
I will always pray for you, sir.
मिलते रहेंगे।
Sure, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Rashish Pawar. Saloni. Saloni ma'am, you will have to unmute yourself. Anju Sharma. Anju Sharma ma'am. Geeta Sharma ma'am. So we have all the ma'ams are probably in the huddle of speaking with amongst themselves. So meanwhile, we will ask Kshitij Sharma to take over the baton. Kshitij.
Vikasji, can I say some?
Yeah.
Hi, namaskar, sir.
Namaskar, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Very fine, sir. Sir, इतना कुछ
जो
सुनने के
आपके
बाद
पीछे हैं,
हाँ जी
जो
सर।
आपके पीछे हैं, उनसे मैं बहुत इंस्पायर रहता हूँ।
ओह, थैंक यू सर। बट सर, मैंने तो अभी तक जितना सुना उस सबको तो मैं इंडोर्स कर ही रही हूँ, बट सबसे बड़ी बात मुझे लगती है कि जो आप में इतनी कंसिस्टेंसी देखी, इतनी क्वालिटीज देखी, क्या उनको हम भी उतना ही फॉलो करें अपनी जिंदगी में? मुझे लगता है सबसे बड़ा आपका थैंक्स तो हम वही कर सकते हैं कि when we are practicing that what we have learned from you, sir, and the kind of the intellect and the wit and the kind of the humility, the combination of all three is really so wonderful. बहुत कम लोगों में होता है. You are a blessed one, and we are really
Thank you so
again
much.
lucky to have you, sir, in our High Court. All the
अगर
best.
मैम आप मुझे अगर आप सोचते हैं कि मैं इंटेलिजेंट हूँ तो you are a genius.
Oh,
Only
sir,
a
please.
genius can identify an intelligent person.
सर आप अपनी इस humbleness से दूसरे को kill कर देते हो.
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है. I mean it. I mean
नहीं
it.
नहीं sir, I'm really
I
grateful,
mean it.
sir.
I mean it.
हाँ जी, I'm grateful, sir.
I
Thank
mean
you.
it from my core of heart.
Ajay
Thank you so
Kaushik,
much.
sir. Ajay Kaushik. Ajay ji, unmute yourself. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Kaushik. How are you?
Fine, sir, fine. Sir, you are very energetic, dynamic, and very humble and kind-hearted and God-fearing. And you have done a lot for the mediation family and also for whole of the society. So we are missing you very much, sir. So you are a gem to
Thank
the
you so much, sir.
society. So we miss you all, sir. All
I
of
miss you
us
also.
we
I
miss.
miss you also. I do miss you. Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Anju Sharma is there. Anju ji, ma'am, you will have to unmute yourself. So meanwhile, we will ask Hema ma'am, though.
Hello.
Yes. Anju ma'am, bole.
Good evening, sir. Is it
Yes, yes, ma'am. Good evening.
learned so much from you? Good evening.
Good
Sir,
evening, ma'am.
I learned so much from you. And थोड़ा सा अफसोस. Good evening, sir. Sir, I have learned from you. एक मेरा केस अंडर बेंच पे था. Wanted कि आपके में ही डिसाइड हो जाए. लेकिन so anyways, you did for family, and thank you for that. Just pray best health and best of everything.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
So
you.
we have ma'am Savita Saxena. She also wants to express the views.
Good evening, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Am I audible?
हाँ जी sir. No, you are audible, sir.
ये कर्टन और ये ग्रीन कलर किसने चूज किया वॉल पे?
I think some problem is there here, sir.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
अच्छा, okay. Sir, I've heard a lot about you from Himachal only.
आपका जवाब नहीं दिया. ये ग्रीन पेंट और ये ग्रीन कर्टन किसने चूज किया इतना अच्छा कलर?
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Sir, I'm also from Shimla. I've heard a lot about you from Shimla only, from Himachal.
कुछ नहीं सुना.
नहीं सुना, sir. I'll come again. I'll join you again.
B.S. Mittal. Atulji, I think everybody has expressed his views, and the bottom line, as we say in the judgment, says that the common thread running between all the judgments would be to the said effect. So after all this, hearing everyone, though there was always a whisper in the corridors and loud voices within the corridors that Justice Sharma is a popular person, but they say that to make everyone bring on the same bottom line to the effect that sir, in everyone in a uniform voice has only spoken that sir had a tremendous grasp over the subject, very popular person, and His judgments were well received.
Mr. Chatra, there are 2-3 requests also coming in.
Sir, that's true. So this is what the observation. They say that once you meet Justice Rajiv Sharma, you have to observe and absorb. And that is the art which we will learn separately from you. Today, it's a formal. We would like to learn from you what is the art of structuring this thing. Divya Gudara ma'am is here. Divya Gudara ma'am आ गई.
सर देंगे सर टाइम. सर देंगे टाइम सबको.
2-3 लॉयर्स की रिक्वेस्ट आई है.
हाँ दिव्या प्लीज.
पॉपुलैरिटी है.
सपन धीर है मैम.
दिव्या गुदारा मैम, you will have to unmute yourself. Yes.
हाँ जी सर.
Good evening मैम.
सर नमस्कार. नमस्कार टू उमा मैम ऑल्सो. पहली बार उनको आज सुना है, बहुत अच्छा लगा. प्लीज मैम.
आपसे बातचीत की बहुत अच्छा लगा.
जी मैं सर बस यही कहना चाहूंगी कि we need judges like you today because downtrodden लोगों के लिए, किसानों के लिए कौन सा ऐसा मुद्दा है पर्यावरण के लिए आप ही ने इतना कुछ लिखा. और
ये आपने लिखवाया तो मैंने लिखा.
नहीं सर, आपने ये आप ही
लोगों ने लिखवाया तो लिखा.
नहीं सर, that's your grace and otherwise also सर, मतलब जितना भी आपने आके बार में हमें फील करवाया कि आप you are concerned about each and every employee, even of your court staff also. We were actually humbled. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था जब सुना था वहाँ.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am.
Thank you. Swapan says that it was always a dream, and he said that he wants to share that his dreams actually turned into reality after meeting you. And the way you conducted the court, and the way you wrote the judgments, the way you made people feel comfortable. Over to you, Swapan.
Thank you, Vikas bhai. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you so much.
कैसे हैं आप?
सर ठीक हूँ. मैं बस इतना कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो कुछ भी सबसे सुना आपके बारे में, वो सुन के we are proud on ourselves कि हम आपके साथ एसोसिएटेड रहे हैं और आपसे इतना कुछ हमें सीखने को मिला है और इतना कुछ हमें जानने को मिला है. और मैं सिर्फ एक छोटा सा एक बच्चों वाला एक क्वेश्चन करूंगा कि being on the side of the bar, what was your innocent you can say experience or a mistake being an advocate in the young age? I want to take you on.
I've never asked for any adjournment throughout my career.
I just wanted to take you on the.
Always ready with the brief. Whenever I might have committed mistake, I have tried to rectify it by working hard. And who has collected the? Yes.
I mean, I wanted to take you on the memory lane to the bar of yourself. So, what was the funniest experience you being a lawyer you have?
Very difficult question. This is a professional or a personal life?
No, being in the bar, in court or something like anything you want to share.
You come to my place, I will tell you.
Right, sir. Thank you so much.
अच्छा ये पीछे कोलाज किया किसने बनाया ये?
Sir, this is a family tree.
Yes, अच्छा, okay. This is wonderful. Who has done this wonderful job?
My wife, sir.
That's what I wanted to hear. That's the funniest part of it.
I cannot say anything more than that.
Take care.
So we have Mr. B.S. Mittal, and then we will ask Hema ma'am to say, and ultimately Atulji to express his views. And if someone is left,
good evening.
He can just send a message, posted the message on the Zoom.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir. Very fine. Sir, we will all memory and the time spent with you, and my Lord, very best wishes for the future assignment also.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes. And Hema ma'am.
सर हम तो यही कहना चाहते हैं कि इतनी अच्छी आपने जो जजमेंट्स दी हैं, तो क्यों ना कि एक बुक में उनकी कंपाइलेशन हो जाए.
देखो अगर मैं करूंगा तो अपने मुंह मियां मिठू. आप लोग प्रयास कीजिए.
आप हमें प्रोवाइड कर दीजिए. We will get it published.
मैं आपको उसका पेन ड्राइव में भेज देता हूँ सारी हिमाचल की और जो मेन है उत्तराखंड और यहाँ के
जी सर
आपको 3-4 दिन में मिल जाएंगे 3-4 दिन में मिल जाएंगे
राइट सर थैंक यू वेरी मच
थैंक यू सर
I think Sapan Dheer wants to have interaction with me.
He's saying that he will do it. He will
do it also. तो आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अतुल.
नहीं sir, I think everybody who has spoken, every word they have spoken from their heart.
Yes.
And you
it's
deserve
true.
every.
It's very touching. It's very touching, sir.
And I think they have less time. Otherwise, even when we talk in corridors, we just don't really talk well of judges all the time. But for you, there were always kind words and good words.
I was in the bar for 25 years, sir. I know.
So that's why I'm being frank with you.
Inside out. Inside out. Now both the sides. I had the occasion to see both the sides, sir. And the grass is greener always on the other side of the fence.
But sir, everybody in the bar, irrespective of whether mediators or not, everybody has a word of praise for you. And that's the earnings, that's the respect you have earned.
Judge has only one thing to his credit. Judge has only one thing to his credit. His name. That's all.
The respect he earns from the bar.
Less. Nothing more, nothing less. And
they
the bar
say yes, they say the bar is judge of judges.
Yeah, yes, it's true. I agree with it.
And if we go by the sentiment being expressed today by the members of the bar, I think you have passed in flying colors.
Yes, yes. My ACR is outstanding.
Outstanding. Yes.
I think so. I think so.
No, definitely, sir. Definitely. And sir, we will.
क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता था आपसे एक चीज पूछना चाहता था विद योर ड्यू परमिशन सर आप इतनी मोटी एक छोटा सा सर इतनी मोटी फाइलें आपके पास डाइस पे आती थी
क्या चीज
इतनी मोटी फाइल आपके पास डाइस पर आती है आप हाउ यू मेक इट आउट विद इन 5 minutes or 10 minutes and decide on a matters
we will have a separate session of art of structuring and art of
just the concentration just the concentration and focus
okay
and little bit experience also
little bit definition of little bit is 35 years
yes
so the last one Rohit Suri to
yes
Rohit the parting shot by Rohit Suri
sir it's a pleasure sir
Rohit, how are you
very well sir
कैसे हैं जनाब
बहुत अच्छे sir as I would only add to it that entering any courtroom on an urgent matter is always butterflies in your stomach at any age but when you enter your courtroom it was different sir
alright so nice
and you'll be totally relaxed and it will be a pleasure to be arguing
it has to be this way only it has to be this way only there's no other way
it'll be
I'm impressed with the color of your shirt कोई भी हिमाचली को बोलो कि शर्ट चूज करे वो ब्लू ही पिक करता I'm very blue
and sir that is where you score sir your wit is amazing you have amazing wit
but you outwitted me
thank you sir
thank you sir God bless you payment cast madam bye
the last conclusion line by Atul ji and then we part for the day and we will ask you because the popular demand amongst everyone was how to structure the arguments how to read that brief we will have a request from you to just share those words and how to do that. The art of advocacy would be another thing, but to learn the art of reading, art of grasping, and art of looking forward would be another session. That's the request what I could gather from the entire webinar. Over to you, Atul ji.
Sir, we will have another session. Rather, we will like to have a physical farewell for you.
Mr. Atul,
yes,
before you host a dinner for me, it's my duty to extend the invitation that I invite you all over my place for a dinner. Let the things improve.
Sir, ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾਣ ਕੋਈ ਮਨਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ।
ਬਸ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ।
We welcome sir.
And that would be Atul. That would be Himachali Dham.
Sir, my wife is from Himachal, sir. I've been there for a long time.
Yes, I know. Thank you so much. Pay my regards to ma'am and love to kid. Thank you so much, sir, for organizing this wonderful program. I enjoyed it and I would cherish it throughout my life. Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, my efforts are very little. All efforts are Vikas Chatrat. because he's dealing all things.
विकासशील रहना.
विकासशील.
They say, sir. They say it is commonly said that I is illness, we is wellness. As long as we are having the blessing of yours, it will be only wellness. Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. My blessing up with all of you.
Thank you,
So
sir.
thank you very much.
Take care. Thank you.
And
Thank
we'll
you so
see you soon again, sir.
I salute all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very
so
much.
I salute all of you. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Right, bye, sir.
Namaskar, sir.